Hello and welcome to anubhavtrainings.com. In this episode of SAP Analytics Cloud demo video, we will look at how to use Search to Insight option in SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud Search to Insight option allows us to ask questions to SAP Analytics Cloud about the data and also produce some meaningful outcomes even you are not so sure about building the stories manually using measures as well as attributes. So you can use plain English to ask questions to SAP Analytics Cloud about data. It uses a powerful natural language processing engine behind the scene to get you the insights about the data instantly on the screen. You can probably choose from different data models and also different keywords with regard to the dimensions and as well as sorting, searching, chart types, time phrases. Based on that, the insight actions will be produced. So let's go ahead and see how can we use search to insight option. So we already have created a story in the past for hospital beds in United States. And today now we are going to use quickly the search to insight button over here on the top right corner. We press the button and you can see it starts with the search to insight tool. And now we can go inside and provide the inputs. And based on that, it is automatically going to build some meaningful insights for us. You can see some examples also already given here. Say, for example, population by country. And now you can see it's calculating population by county in the data set. You can also go ahead and choose different data models which are present in the entire system. You can also choose the most popular model which is currently your story is being using. We can also see here all the list of available measures and dimensions for the current data model. And then of course, we can get started and start writing the different plain English over here in the search box to get some insights. So for example, I want to say total population. So I can say total population and I press enter, search, and you can see it gets me the total population value. And I'll say maybe I want to do it by county. So now system should give me the population by county. You can say we want to do this by, let's say, a pie chart. So show as a pie chart and enter. And now you'd see the same has been projected as a pie chart. So with plain English, you will be able to build beautiful insights on your data. Now you can also consider different aspects with respect to time, with respect to the hierarchies, as well as ranking. For example, I want to know the top 10 beds per county, and you can see it will give me top 10 counties where we have highest number of beds. And I can say just get me only top 10 beds for ICU. So which are the counties has top 10 bed for with value ICU. By county, and now you would see which county has the highest number of ICU beds is also coming up over here. Show me it as a donut. And now you can see this projects me the data in form of donut. So we can also use now the time phrases. So for example, I want to know how many top 10 ICU beds are there with year, which is 2020. Press enter. And now you would see total number of ICU beds in year 2020, which have been added to the system. So maybe, of course, it makes sense also to get rid of this top 10 because we want to just count the ICU beds which have been added in 2020. There you go. You can see this is currently in the unit of 1,000 inhabitants per population. We can also say by year 2020 and before, and you can see that it's showing me all the beds which are there in the system for ICU in 2017 and years. So maybe we can also go back and say in 2020, here in 2020, press enter. Maybe we can further do the correction. So show me the beds by year and then show me it as pie chart. And there you go, 100% of the ICU beds, and you can see the count per habitants per 1,000 population is showing. Now, if you have some insights which are being produced here, you can directly copy these insights or export it to an Excel sheet or also copy to your story. So you can choose that I want to copy to my story, my bed analysis, and straight away this gets copied to the story which you have created in the system. So that's a nice option with natural language processing SAP offers with Analytics Cloud. For more details on Analytics Cloud course, as well as understanding and learning SAP Analytics Cloud with end-to-end scenarios, feel free to subscribe our training on SAP Analytics Cloud on anubhavtrainings.com. With that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.